Hi everyone, Katarina here again with another video and layout for Hip Kit Club. Today I'm gonna be focusing on the main kit only together with the beautiful cardstock kit, and I'm gonna be using the January kit today. So my assignment today was to use the beautiful exclusive patterned papers from the kits. And since these whole kits are purely exclusive, designed by Kim and Kimberly, it was really a pleasure to work with these beautiful papers. So here you can see me cutting rectangles out of these papers. For my background, I decided to use the pretty soft yellow paper from the cardstock kit, because I think that it contrasts so beautifully with all the colors from all the patterned papers this month. So my plan was to create tags out of these patterned paper rectangles, and I'm going to cut these tags apart so that they are divided into both sides of my layout, and you will see it in just a bit. I wanted to give them the whole reinforcer. So I used the same patterned papers, just mixed them a little bit to create a nice little contrasting element on them. And then I used my crocodile tool to punch holes. I'm sorry, my camera was off focus here for some reason. And the next thing I'm gonna do is that I really loved these cut apart, or these elements that can be fussy cut here on these patterned papers, and I decided to find all the ones that are present on the tags, fussy cut them out from the rest of the patterned paper, and glue it or put it on a foam tape or craft foam, raise it a little bit and create some dimension. So you can see that I also used my sewing machine to stitch around the tags, and then I cut them, or maybe before that I cut them and arranged them from both sides of my layout. So here I have my fussy cut speech bubbles. By the way, this patterned paper is one of my favorites. I just love those speech bubbles so much, and I'm going to arrange them to where they are originally on the tag, and use some foam squares to raise them a little bit. And I did the same with the dots from the dotted paper, and with the little tiny flowers too. So that was the most tedious part to be honest, but I love the result really. So we will see it in a moment. I will show you up close. So here are the speech bubbles, the dots, and the flowers. Isn't it cute? Look at this. Yeah, I really love it. So, and here I continued with some crazy machine stitching. I used a dark gray thread to stitch. I wanted to create some space or background for my photos. And here I used white acrylic paint to make some tiny splatters. And here I mixed it also with the Precious Posy purple shimmers paints to splatter, to add some more splatters in purple color. I also added soft yellow cord or thread into my tags, and yeah, it was the color was matching really well with the background cardstock. And then I used my T-square ruler to adhere the tags so I have them straight. And this is going to be the basic part of my layout. I did the same with all the fur tags. Yeah. So today I'm scraping 2 photos of my son when he got really creative. He saw me hand stitching into one of my layouts, and he asked me for a needle, and he wanted to also create his own stitched layout. He even got a photo from me, so it was really nice watching him do that. And also he painted some mixed media background. So here I'm trying to arrange all the elements. I used the purple alphabet stickers from the kit to create my title. Things will change a little bit in a minute. You will see that as I go. But for this moment, this was the arrangement I was going for. I used a lot of the beautiful chipboard stickers, a lot of little hearts, paper clip. I love that cardstock die cut rainbow with those hanging hearts. That's really cute. And I kept adding and adding. I also used one of the wood veneer phrases. And yeah, of course, these puffy buttons, they are really cute addition to any layout because they're small and add all those pops of color. Yeah, and also those little hearts there. So I shuffled the embellishments a little bit. I play with them, and then I took a break, and you see that I have changed the arrangement of things a little bit. I used that gray polka dotted paper to draw and cut the second part of my title. I decided to change it to crafty kit, and since I didn't have a smaller alphabet, I created my own letters there. I popped up my photos with the craft foam, as you can see here. I have also used a lot of the inside pieces from the puffy buttons. They are very cool. Actually, they can be used as small, something like enamel dots, like puffy dots maybe. Adding all the pops of color too. And here I'm basically adhering everything. So here are the smaller letters that I cut out. And this rainbow will go on the right side of my photos. I'm just playing with I wanted to hide the word new, because this was not really new to him. He is crafty all the time, so I used this die cut flower to hide it, and it will just say hobbies, crafty hobbies, or yeah, how you want to read it. Yeah, I really love it. So now I'm going to move on the journaling, drawing some lines. It wasn't easy with all the dimensional elements on the layout, and I'm using dark gray pen to write my journaling here. Yeah, and that's gonna be it for today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the layout and the video. Don't forget to check out the Hip Kit Club website for all the kits. They're really gorgeous, beautiful. You need them all. I will leave the link down in the description box. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!